Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. The sensorial activities presentation number 8. This presentation is related to the sense of auditory, the sound sense of listening, hearing. For this particular purpose, we have an exercise. This is called sound box. Here in front of you, there are two sound boxes. This simply enhances the auditory sense. Presentation. This is again an individual exercise. It can be done on table or mat, but better on table. During all the presentation, work cycle must be observed. The directress sits beside the child. Start with 3 sets of distinguished cylinders first. She takes out set of the cylinders from blue lid. The blue lid. The cover over there is a blue lid. And arrange them in a column on the left side of the table, which we shall call side A. Side A. The other set from the red lid. The other set from the red lid. In then a line on the right hand side, column called set B or side B. Here you can see 2 sets. The first one is red, the other one is blue in a column. The directress then shows how to hold and shake the cylinder. Invite the child to take one cylinder and to shake them near the ear. Ear, the important organ, the most important organ of sound or the sense of auditory. The directress then start to pairing the exercise. First, she takes a cylinder from side A in her own ear and then add one to the child's ear. Then she takes one of the cylinders from side B, shakes it at her own, and then the child gives the child the other one. The pair of cylinders is placed in the middle between the 2 columns of cylinders. Continue in this manner till all the cylinders are matched. The lighter sound, the higher sound, the low sound, the huge sound. Both columns have different sounds, volumes, different pitches that are again and again showing and observing by a child and